Hi everyone, welcome to the LMS walkthrough video of Dr. Finance Dashboard. In this video, I'll guide you through the complete LMS dashboard of Dr. Finance from logging in and accessing your courses to tracking your progress and using all the important features. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to navigate the platform smoothly. So let's begin. So once you enter your registered mobile number on the Dr. Finance website and complete the OTP verification, you'll be redirected to the LMS dashboard. You can see this LMS dashboard landing screen. Starting with the home section over here, you'll be able to see all your upcoming sessions. So today's Friday session has been done, which was on 15th May. So now tomorrow's 16th May weekly Q&A session will be visible to you. You'll also be able to track your overall progress and your monthly progress activity over here. Next is the notification bar. Any important updates, announcement, live session recordings, or other important information will appear here. Now, coming to the onboarding section. First, we have the AI starter pack. So, this includes 5 custom GPTs and 5 AI prompts designed to help you from day one itself and assist you in making better personal finance decisions. Here you can see the list of AI prompts, then the 5 custom GPTs which are provided to you from day one itself. Next is curriculum details. This section shows your weekly learning flow. Here, it will be visible to you. Let's say Thursday, you will be provided with your pre-session notes. Friday, you'll be having your live class. Then Saturday, you'll be having your Q&A session. And then Sunday would be your assignment submission. You'll also find a detailed curriculum breakdown here. Let me open that for you. So here you can see the weekly topics and a short description of what you'll be learning in each session. For example, week 1 covers Introduction to Investing in Personal Finance. This helps you get a clear idea before attending the live class. Now coming back to the LMS dashboard, next is the Custom GPT tab. So this section will unlock after week 6. Here you'll get access to 15 custom GPTs specially designed for your personal finance needs. Here you can see the complete list. You can access these by clicking the link on the last column. And these are designed specifically for your personal finance need, be it for investment, tax, stock portfolio, etc. Then we have the program starter kit. This section gives you a complete overview of the program, including orientation, keys to success, session recording and notes, tools and resources, community access, and much more. This will definitely make you feel welcome and give you a fair idea of what the course has to offer. Now let's move to bonus learning. First, we have the Finance Mastery bonus, which becomes available after your orientation and initial week. Once you click on Start Learning, you'll find here some self-paced course under the modules that you can complete anytime as per your schedule. These courses will give you additional knowledge alongside with your live sessions. Then we have the Master AI prompts. These will unlock after week 6 live session, so don't worry if it's logged initially. It will definitely unlock for you post the week 6 live class. Moving on to newsletter and additional resources. Here you'll receive the Smart Money newsletter every month and a bi-weekly special bonus every 15 days. Next is premium bonus. This section will also unlock after the week 6 live session, so don't worry if it appears logged initially. Now coming to recording and notes. So in case you have missed any session previously, you can always catch up with the class by watching the recorded session which is uploaded to the LMS after every session. Now coming to tools and calculators. This section becomes accessible after your first live session. Here you'll find personalized calculator and an 11-in-1 personal finance tool to help you make better financial decisions easily. Let me show you one of the tools. So here you can see I am opening the 11 in 1 personal finance calculator. You can access it via this link under overview. So this is the Dr. Finance tool section where you can get access to the 11 in 1 financial calculator designed to simplify your entire financial planning. On the left, you'll see multiple tabs where you can enter your details like portfolio, emergency, fund, asset allocation, retirement planning, and life insurance cover. Once you input everything, the summary and AI insights gives you a clear view of your financial health and suggests what improvements you should make in each area. Next is the financial goal planner. Here you can enter your goals, time horizon, and required amount. It automatically calculates the SIP you need to achieve those goals over here. Then comes the tax regime calculator, where you enter your income and deduction. It helps you decide whether the old or new tax regime is better for you. We also have returns calculator, where you can check projected wealth through both lump sum and SIP investment based on expected returns and time period. Finally, the EMI calculator. This helps you understand your monthly loan repayments instantly based on loan amount, interest rate, and tenure. Overall, this tools give you a complete picture of your finances from investment to taxes to loans, all in one place, helping you make smarter financial decisions. Now let's go back to the LMS. Next is weekly Q&A recordings. If you miss any Q&A session, you can always watch the recording here and catch up anytime. Then we have daily bites. Under this, we have the weekly tips section. This section includes regular updates, quick finance tips, important news and changes related to personal finance and mutual funds to help you stay updated. Now coming to resources. Under support, clicking here will redirect you to a WhatsApp support where you can ask your question and the team will assist you. I can open that for you as well. See, I clicked on support and this has redirected me to a WhatsApp chat. Here I can put my query and the team will get back to me in some time. Let's go back to the LMS again. Next is certificate. Once you complete the entire course and mark all sections as complete, you can fill out the form and your certificate will be provided to you. Now, under additional support, you'll also find a support number that you can call in case of any urgent queries. There's also WhatsApp support over here, which will again redirect you to a WhatsApp chat where you can post your queries and the team will get back to you in some time. Now, coming to profile, here you can view and edit your profile details anytime. Your certificate section will become visible once your course is completed. Next is My Learnings. Here you can track all the lessons and modules you have completed. And finally, we have Ask Learning related questions. So if you have any doubts for the Saturday Q&A session, you can submit your question through this Google form by entering your name, email and question and submit this. And that's pretty much it for the LMS walkthrough. If you still have any doubts or queries, feel free to contact the support team anytime. Thank you for watching.